Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Cash App's Afterpay feature when shopping at Walmart. First, open your Cash App on your phone. If you don't already have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play and sign in. Once you are signed in, check the Money tab in the app. This is where you can find any Afterpay eligible purchases and manage your payment schedule. Next, go to Walmart's website or open the Walmart app and add the items you want to your cart. At checkout, select Cash App as your payment method. If eligible, you will see an option to pay with Afterpay. Choose this option to use the Pay Over Time feature. Once you select Afterpay at checkout, you'll be offered a payment schedule. Typically, you will pay 4 equal installments over 6 weeks for eligible purchases. Make sure you understand the payment schedule before confirming. After completing the checkout, go back to the Money tab in Cash App. Tap on the Afterpay eligible purchase, and you'll see details about your installments, including how much is left to pay and when the next payment is due. Thanks for watching.